Hi, it's Gerry Oginski in the Lawyers Video Studio, and I'm coming to you today from Raleigh, North Carolina. I have the pleasure of talking with Brent Adams, who's a personal injury trial lawyer here in Raleigh and Dunn and Fayetteville. And one of the cool things is that today you're going to learn from Brent Adams himself what it is to participate in our total online video solution for attorneys. Now, let me turn to Brent and ask you, tell me why it is that you decided to get onto video, to create video, to market your practice.
Well, Gerry, I've considered video for a long period of time. I understand the importance of the internet and certainly the effectiveness of video. And I've tried to do it myself. I bought a video camera and bought lights and set up and made some videos. But frankly, I was never very happy with them. I put them up on Traffic Geyser and other places, YouTube, and they've been very helpful to me, but I've never really was satisfied with them. And I've noticed your videos, and I've heard other lawyers talk about how effective your videos are. And so I gave you a call and we discussed it, and I decided that I needed you to help me. I wanted to get totally immersed in video for lawyers, video advertising on the internet. And that's why I called you in, and I'm certainly glad I did, because we spent a full day doing many videos, and if I had tried to do them myself, it would probably take me 2 or 3 years to get them all done, and they wouldn't have been done nearly as well. So I am really excited about it. I'm looking forward to seeing these videos.
Brent, I want you to tell me what the process was like. We came into your office early this morning and you saw us setting up, and then I started to work with you on some of the content. Explain to the people watching this what this process was like and what you did and what your thoughts were along the way.
Well, Gerry, as you know, you met with me by phone several weeks ago for a long brainstorming session, a mastermind session, in which you gave me the benefit of your thoughts, you coached me, and you suggested that I make a list of the issues that I wanted to discuss, and you suggested how I should do it. And I thought at the time, my goodness, I'll never be able to do this. But with your help and because of your suggestions, I followed your recipe to the T, and it was amazing how fast these ideas just flew into my head when I followed your advice and took the steps that you told me to take. And so by the time you got here, I had completed a list of 40 or 45 different topics that I wanted to talk about. I sent them to you in advance, and you looked at them and you studied them and gave me suggestions about them.
Now we're approaching the end of the day, and now we're actually leaving you with the equipment, with the lights and the microphone and the video camera. Tell me what you're going to do with that equipment.
You showed us how to do it. We're looking forward to making our own videos, and with your help and continued guidance, I'm sure that we will produce some very good videos on our own with the equipment that you left. You completely trained our staff on how to use the video and the lights and how to set them up, and we feel very comfortable on about the prospect of doing it ourselves.
Well, you know that if you have any questions, you always are able to give us a call. We'll walk you through it, any particular problems. And I want to know from you, if other attorneys are watching this and deciding whether or not this is something for them, what would you tell them?
Well, I would tell them, number one, give Gerry a call as soon as possible. There's no point in putting it off. I could kick myself for not starting much earlier than I did. Particularly, I could kick myself for not calling you and for trying to do it on my own for a number of years. And if I had called you earlier, I would have a big library of videos that were producing leads for me. And I'm glad I'm on board now. I only wish I'd have done it sooner. So I would advise any lawyer who's really interested in getting new leads and good leads, qualified leads, to start a video program. And you shouldn't start a video program without the assistance of Gerry Oginski and his staff.
Brent, thank you so much. That was wonderful.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
Well, I'm Gerry Oginski here in the Lawyers Video Studio, coming to you from Raleigh, North Carolina. So if you have questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me, because I can answer your questions. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at lawyersvideostudio.com. I welcome your call. Have a great day.